I finally got my mini travel blender in today, so I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna use it and give you my honest opinion. And you know, we do a lot of traveling and trail riding, sitting out with the nieces and nephews, just hanging out. And sometimes you want a cold drink that's blended, maybe a margarita or a strawberry daiquiri, or maybe you just want a slushie. So I'm gonna just unbox this. You see everything come with it. It also comes with a small charger. So it comes with instructions right here. It say charge it for 3 to 5 hours, and it tells you different things, you got to hit it twice to come on. So the instructions is inside the blender itself. So I'm gonna put this back together and we're gonna blend up some ice. We're gonna try some Sonic ice, and we're gonna also try some big large ice. Yeah, I got this from JourneyBooker. So we're gonna try some margarita mix right here. The liquid kind probably be better. You see the Sonic ice. I love Sonic ice. So you can just throw it in your blender. And what you want to do is just get you some whatever drinks you want. So I'm gonna put some more of this margarita right here. Like I said, the liquid kind would probably do better. And just pour you whatever favorite drink you want in here. You could double it up. You could triple it up. That's up to you. You can pour water in it and just double click this and just let it blend. You can shake it a little bit and it blends for like 40 seconds. Then it'll stop. Then you blend it again. And you see that's pretty thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm gonna add a little bit more ice, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of my favorite drink. You see I pour my drink in there and I'm gonna blend it up. And if it's too thick, it's best to add a little bit more water or whatever you want in there. And this thing works great. And you can see I'm gonna take it off. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of my favorite drink in there because it's a little too thick. Screw the top back on, shake it a little bit. Like I said, you got to double click that button to turn it on. It won't turn on the first double click. Just sit it down and let it blend while you drink it on your other drink. And once you're done, just unscrew the top and pour your drink into a cup, or you could drink out of this container, however you want to do it. Let's pour it out. Let's see what it looks like. Man, it chopped everything up real nice. Look at this. So I'm gonna get some, also I'm gonna try it with some large cubes. And we're gonna try to blend some large cubes up. Now you see I got this out of my refrigerator and I put my favorite drink in there. It didn't work too well with the large cubes, but it did blend a little bit up. So it's best to get you some Sonic ice or some ice from the corner store and just break it up a little bit and put it in your blender. As you can see right here, this is the big chunks of cubes that come out of my refrigerator, but the other ice works perfect. Get you one.